Commander Morning. Yazi commanders kade ngiku-Twitter yabo. So ngibuka umsunu kaRupert ubhala ipost yesterday. Ubhala ipost yokuthi i-MK and EFF kufanele ukuthi ibeke ama-egos aside and they must unite ne. And then uMalema waphendula wathi into engeke iziyenzeke leyo nto leyo ne. Okay asikuyeke lokho ne. But into engishoyo mina ne as ordinary people ne ukuthi will unite with EFF. EFF is not Malema in fact yabona. So ubaba Ratanangi so asikwazi ukuhamba ngama feelings akhe in thina will unite black people on the ground. So uMalema can continue doing izinto azenzayo and will not insult him ukuthi sithini. But abantu be-EFF nabantu be-MK ipain esifilayo ipain efanayo ne. So asikwazi ukuthi thina siye ngelentuza kaMalema uMalema uthi ufila kanjani noma yabona nje bafethu angisho ukuthi ngithini but somehow uJojo ovesana abe childish kakhulu yabona. So awukaze uyibone i-leadership yomkhonto wesizwe National High Command in ukuthi bethi bra nge-EFF but abantu be-EFF they are always on our case yabona, entertaining us and everything yabona. Painful it is yabona, painful ethi yabona kubhlungu kunjalo ne ukuthi sibone ukuthi senza njani but nje thina abantu be-EFF we love them, will unite with them, not abo Malema, abo Sinawo Thamba, abo Sihlolonzi, abo ubani lo uNaledi. Hayi thina abantu be-EFF we love them, will unite with them on the ground because into esifunayo it's one. So lento yabo ukuthi bethini angeke kwenzeke ukuthi EFF ne-MK bebe united. No, it's fine. We don't need Malema. In order for black people to unite in South Africa, we don't need uMalema. So we need a unit a genuine. So uMalema ne-leadership yakhe abahambi beyofa. Thina sizokhuluma nabantu be-EFF Darren there ukuthi hey here it's a common cause. Commander Morning.